Hey and welcome back to Spiral Fashion. My name is Anila and today we're gonna sew book sleeve. Perfect for upcoming holidays, Christmas. Because nothing is more precious like handmade gift. Okay, there's something more precious. Meeting with your beloved ones. But now we're gonna to learn how to sew book sleeve. This project is great for beginners because you can sew everything in straight lines so you can practice your technique. And of course, I will drop the free PDF pattern on my site spiralfashion.com. Or as you like, you can draw the pattern yourself. At the beginning video, I will give you the pattern too. And of course, if you want to see more this type of sewing tutorials with free PDF patterns, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and let's sew this beautiful book sleeve with me in 2 methods. Let's begin! Iron your fabric before, during, and after sewing. It helps the pieces lie flat and gives a cleaner final result. As a beginner, always choose easy to sew fabrics. My recommendation: cotton, linen, and cotton canvas. For more tips for what type of fabrics beginners should choose, you can find on my site spiralfashion.com. I will drop the link with this special post about fabrics on my description box. How to avoid mistakes during sewing. That's very important. Always, as a beginner, remember to mark, even as a professional seamstress, always try to mark left sides of your fabrics. This way, you always remember which side is which. It's very important, special when you are using fabric with similar colors and patterns on left and right side. Time to cut pattern pieces. Fabric outer 2 and lining 2. Then straps 2. Sew the straps by placing the fabric right sides together. Pin and stitch, leaving one end open so you can turn them on the right side. Trim the corners to reduce bulk. And turn the straps right side out. You can do this with help of pen or other some not sharp stick. Or like me, you can do it with knit needle. And give it a good press to remove all any wrinkles and unevenness. And voila, straps are ready. Pin straps to the right side of the outer fabric in the center of the top of the edge. Pin both straps in exactly the same way in same position. And next, place the lining on the top with right sides facing each other, sandwiching straps. Then pin and sew along the top edges. Now it's time to fold the project in half, facing right sides together and match inside seams. And pin with pin right in sewing lines. And continue pinning on both sides, aligning the seams. And very important, don't forget to leave 5 cm gap in your lining because we need to later turn our back on the right side through this gap. And now it's time to turn the back right side out through this gap. Tuck fabric inside and close gap, sewing with straight stitch or hand stitch. For cleaner look, don't forget to top stitch upper edge of your back all the way around. And our book sleeve is ready. Let's try it. Let's tie some beautiful bow on the top. And book sleeve is ready, complete, perfect, and looks beautiful, perfect for gift. Fold the outer fabric in half, right sides together and pin on sides. Do exactly the same with the lining, but in the lining leave 5 cm gap. Don't forget to leave the gap in the lining, that's very important. Turn right side out your outer fabric. Don't forget to straighten those corners for clean look. Now it's time to hide your outer fabric into the lining. The right sides should be facing each other. For clean look, remember to always match them in the seams. Lining and outer fabric on both sides, then tuck inside the outer fabric. And now it's time to pin straps. Sandwich straps between outer fabric and lining in the center. Do the same on the other side with the other strap. Pin with the pins all the way around and sew it. Yay! Now it's time to turn our back right side out. If you don't forget to leave a gap, you can now turn your back right side out. But if you forget, don't worry, you can always use seam ripper. Close the gap with straight stitch or hand stitch. Tuck lining inside the back and don't forget to top stitch all the way around the top edge for cleaner look. And our book sleeve sewed in the second method is ready. Let's try it. Tuck inside your notebook or book. Pam pam pam. And as you see, fit like glove. And let's tie some beautiful chunky bow. And book sleeve is ready, perfect for gift or just as an accessory for you. And both book sleeves are ready. You can hide inside not only books. Write in the comment which method you like the most. And if you like this video, don't forget a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!